Red. Whoa, red.
Well, welcome back to Dadskillz. My name's Matt, and at last I've found an app where I can recreate the stroke effect without having to use Photoshop. So let's have a look.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Right, okay, let's open the app I found. It's called Youdoodle. You'll hear the tapping sound. That's me using my pen. So we're going to edit a photo. There we go, right. That's fine. Right, we're going to go through this really quickly. So you see all these options at the top. There's loads of options. This is a brilliant app. But the one we're going to concentrate on today is brush. I'm going to press on it a couple of times and it brings up all these options. So we're going to go white for the color. You see these colors at the top. We can go all sorts of colors, all sorts of fill, but we're just going to go pretty basic now. We're just going to go white. Smooth edge, that's on. And this one here underneath, line mode, so I can just tap and keep tapping my way around. So I'll get nice straight lines. So I'm just going to tap my way around, really. Just keep moving across. Right, I'm just going to keep tapping my way around this picture. This is a picture I took 3 exposures of the kids and merged them together. So it looked like there were loads of them sat around the room. Just keep making my way around. You can draw a line, but I don't think I'll be able to do it well enough. I think I'll make a right hash of it, so we're going to go with this technique. There are still loads of things in this app I've not even looked at yet. It seems like a pretty decent app, to be fair. Right, so making our way around. Just undo that last one, we'll just take it a bit further to there. And there we go. And then we will save. Camera roll. Job done, let's have a look. So there we go, it's been exported to the camera roll. And that's the one I did slightly differently. That's the thumbnail that you saw. And that's the one we've just recreated. So any YouTube gamer should be more than happy with that. Well, that's it from Dadskillz today. If you found some value in that video, please do subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll see you again really soon.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
We have to go to school. No, I have a sport.